Hello everyone, in this video I will show you how to fix the uneven speaker volume in Samsung Galaxy S24 Ultra. So before starting the video, don't forget to subscribe the channel and also press the bell icon. So to fix this issue, first of all, check if your volume keys are working properly or not. So to check this, press the volume down key to turn down the volume and press the volume up key to turn up the volume. If it's working, then your problem is fixed, but if it doesn't work properly, then it means it's a hardware issue with your volume keys, or there is dust which is not letting the volume keys to register your presses. So after cleaning this, if you are still facing the problem, then the second solution is open settings, scroll down, and here click on sounds and vibration, and then scroll down and click on sound quality and effects. Now here tap on adapt sound, and from here you can add your personalized sound profile. Now click on start. Now to do this, you have to put your headphones, and then you will be able to add the adapt sound for your ears, and after doing this the sound will start working properly. But if you are still having the problem, then the last solution is open settings again. Now in settings, scroll down and click on general management, and then scroll down and click on reset. Now here scroll down and click on reset all settings, and then click on reset settings again to confirm. So when you will tap on reset settings here, it will reset all your mobile settings, but it will not delete any data from your mobile. And after doing this, your uneven speaker volume issue will be 100% fixed. So I hope you liked the video. Thanks for watching.